Hi, and welcome to yet another video. Today I am making the Rosery Apparel Willow dress. So I got the pattern as a printable PDF pattern from the Rosery Apparel. I will link her down below as well. And I printed it out. I had to cut it out and tape all the pages together. I thought it was pretty easy, so then I laid it all on my, I think I had like 1.5 meters of this fabric. It's like a cotton linen fabric. I will also link the store down below. And then I cut out all the pattern pieces. Then I started marking out where the darts were going to have to be. And I pinned them in place with multiple pins. And I sewed the darts into place as well. Then I ironed all of the darts flat to the side, to the outside, facing outwards. Then it was time to attach the top and the bottom of the dress together. So I started with the back of the dress and then also did the same with like the two front panels of the dress, so like the left side and the right side of the dress. So I pinned the sides together and then I sewed them together with a straight stitch and also a zigzag stitch to prevent fraying. And all of the darts should be lining up right now. So then I started working on the waistband. You have two different waistband pieces, one a little bit shorter than the other. I folded them right sides together and I sewed them closed. Then I had to turn them inside out, which was quite the task, to be honest. I couldn't really get it and it took me quite a while. But eventually I did, and then I sewed it flat for like a nicer, cleaner look as well, on both the left and the right side of the waistband. And I did the same for the other waistband as well. Then I attached the waistband to the front side of the dress, on both the left and the right side. Then we are going to attach the front pieces to the back piece by attaching them by the shoulders. So I'm pinning them into place and then I'm going to sew them together with a straight stitch and then also again a zigzag stitch. Now I am going to be hemming the entire front side of the dress, so from the bottom of the dress all the way around the neck to the other side of the dress as well. So I'm rolling it 1 centimeter and then another centimeter, so it's like a rolled hem. And I'm also sewing this into place with just a simple straight stitch. Now I'm attaching the sleeves to the shoulders and I'm pinning them into place, like lining up the middle parts. I didn't film the sewing of the sleeves, but I hope you understand how that works. then I realized I forgot to put the side darts on the front of the dress, so I measured where they had to be and I sewed those into place as well. Now I am lining up the entire side seam of the dress from like the sleeve all the way until the waist. Now I am going to be putting in the pockets, so I'm putting the fabric right sides together and then measuring out where I want the pockets to be, pinning them into place on both sides of the dress and then also on like the other side of it as well. And I'm sewing these into place with first a straight stitch and then another zigzag stitch as well. Then we're folding them outwards and putting the right sides of the pockets together and then pinning all the way around. And then I'm gonna be sewing the whole side of the dress together with first a straight stitch and another zigzag stitch. So we're doing this all the way from the top, like the end of the sleeve, along the waistline, around the pocket, and then all the way down to the side. So now I am going to be hemming the sleeves. I'm folding it over 1 centimeter and then another centimeter, so it's a rolled hem. And I'm just sewing this closed with a straight stitch. Now we're going to be hemming the bottom of the dress, so I'm essentially doing the same thing again, rolling it over 1 centimeter and then another centimeter all the way along the bottom of the dress, and then we're going to be sewing this up with another straight stitch. So then last but not least, we're going to be making a buttonhole. I'm doing this on the right side seam of the dress. I put it on quite a big one because it's for the waistband to go through, and I'm just gonna let my machine do the work and then opening it up with like a little seam ripper. And that's the finished dress. I'm so happy with it. I really loved making it, and I thought the pattern was like super easy to work with, and I just love the fit. It's so nice, and I'm definitely gonna be making lots of other versions of this dress as well. Thank you for watching, and I hope you have a good day, and thanks for being here. Bye bye.